for the game involving Nigeria versus Sudan. We have in our midst the Nigerian head coach, Coach Eguavoen. Coach, welcome to this post-match press conference.
Thank you very much, sir.
And congratulations on your victory and your ascendancy to the round of 16. Coach, before I give the media an opportunity to ask you a couple of follow-up questions, just how excited are you that your boys have been able to deliver with only 2 matches played so far?
Yeah, congrats to the boys. Second game is not so easy. No game comes easy. From the first day, we knew it was going to be tough, and we try as much as possible to be ready for any opponent that comes through. So what we saw this evening is expected, but we are excited that we were able to pull through the line and win the next round.
Thank you, Coach. I'll now give the media an opportunity to ask a couple of follow-up questions. May you please tell us your full names and the media house you are coming from? I'll start with the gentleman here.
Congratulations again. Not an easy feat. 2 games through to the round of 16. I'm Emmanuel Etim, Cool FM Lagos. I noticed that after we scored the first goal in the 3rd minute, it seemed to be quite a struggle up until the second goal came. There were a couple of chances created, but the rhythm was lacking. Was that a case of complacency from our side?
It could be. It's always easier said than done. I remember in the last parley with the press, there was a lady who also asked me, any Nigerian team, once they are up there, and then the next opponent, they try to drop their guards. And I try to defend the team. I still defend the team. But, anybody that is down fears no fall. And the Sudanese team is not a pushover. I've said it before, any team that has come here to play has come to try to do what? To qualify. And then with the 24 teams participating, and everybody has a chance to come up like the best losers. So that motivated Sudanese to actually come up. We watched their game against Guinea-Bissau. They always drop to midline with only 1 striker. But today they changed. And I told the boys that it's expected. They can change their tactics and try to play their game and move ahead. And that's exactly what they did. Complacency is a little bit difficult to say yes or no, but we'll discuss this with the boys tomorrow.
Once again, congratulations. I'm Jane Francis from Nigeria. So, Kelechi Nwakali in 2 games have not been that player that Nigerians expected, going by his track record in the under-17. Are you giving up on him, or should we expect more patience from you?
More patience, I would say. And he's been a French player in and out of the team. And now we've given him all the confidence to come in and not to start the game, because Aribo has been there, good understanding with the team, and of course with Ndidi in the middle of the park. Ndidi actually haven't played with Kelechi. So it's a little bit difficult to just change the team's formation. So that's what it is. Kelechi, we all know, is a good player. We expect a lot more than this from him. When he settles down, and then you can see better football from him. He didn't do that badly. And when you lack much reading, it also affects. But I think he performed well.
Question from this gentleman.
Coach, bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Oui, moi c'est Souleymane Abdou Nasser. Je suis directeur de publication du site internet bepanainfo.com, camerounais. Coach, on constate qu'au fil des jours, le Nigeria se positionne comme étant le super favori et non comme favori, parce qu'au départ, lorsqu'on citait les favoris, il y avait l'Algérie, la Tunisie, la Côte d'Ivoire, le Cameroun comme pays organisateur, mais aujourd'hui, on constate que le Nigeria a pris le dessus. Qu'est-ce qui fait la force du Nigeria? Et au-delà de cette question, on sait que le public de Garoua est acquis à la cause du Nigeria. Est-ce que le Nigeria se prépare déjà pour d'autres villes au cas où il fallait partir d'ici pour le 2e, le 3e tour?
Yes, many people have talked about Nigeria being favorites, so I claim it. So we claim it. It's not about saying game per game now, so we claim it. Because there is a power in the tongue, so we claim it. And we're talking about the public, the local people here. From day one, they've made us very, very comfortable. And we are brothers, we are neighbors, and hopefully we stay here till we go to the next round, where we'll be compelled to move. And I believe where we'll arrive also, we'll also enjoy the support of the locals there too.
Mode Victor, Mode Zero Media. With qualification to the next round wrapped up already, we have fringe players that have not made the team sheet at all. And some players that have not been able to play despite making the team sheet. Are we going to see chances handed out to the Onyekurus, the Peter Olainkas, and maybe even the John Nobles?
Oh, you already given a lineup. Yes, which is good. You see, I've been long enough with this team as a technical director from afar, but this is the closest I've been with the team, which is about 3 weeks now. And we actually started with quite a number of players, to be precise, 24, on the 4th of January. And on the 5th, we flew out. And the arrival here, nothing happened on the 5th at night because we retired to bed about 2 a.m. And then preparation started on the 6th. And on the 11th, we had to be on the field. So that was why when you see the lineup in these first 2 games, it's a little bit difficult to take risk. It's better to play with people that knows themselves. You know, I can't say, hey, you be out, C in, A out. So it would be a bit of a risk, you know. So that was why we maintained what we had up to this point in time. And we made it clear to all the players. Everybody that's come here has a chance to play. Now, coming to the next game, yes, with qualification secured, with a win in our mind as well, I think we'll give a couple of players opportunity to play. Yes.
Good evening, everybody. My name is David from 324sportng.com. Sir, congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I know you very well. You don't count your egg before they are hatched. But then, now that you've already qualified for the next round, I know, are you keeping tabs on possibility of playing any of those teams in Group C? Are you putting your heads on the ground? You watched Ghana play yesterday. You saw Gabon. You saw that team before. That is my question, sir.
Which is up to us to pick an opponent. That would be great. But again, every team that have come here are good enough to win this trophy. So whoever comes our way, to be a champion, should be ready to play against any team. So any team that comes our way will be prepared to play.
Thank you. We end with this.
Well, my name is Abiola Shodia from Nigeria Info. Coach, in the 2 games you have played, you have maintained a certain consistency in your substitutes. However, the substitutions might not have the effect desired. Example of today, the team considered a few minutes after you made all your change. Would you say your substitution in this tournament has been spot on? And do you think the bench is strong enough to carry Nigeria as far as the people want in this tournament?
Yeah, I think we're strong enough, but sometimes scoring goals is a bit of a problem. You know, it's in front of goal. We waste chances, and normally goal is always power. If we're not clean kind in front of goal, it can turn around and hurt a team. You know, against Egypt, we made a couple of sitters today as well. So that was what gave Sudan the chance or hope. So they think, you know, they are in the game and they can survive. And they actually pose a threat. And substitution, yes, it's been spot on. Like you can see, Awonoye, the lone striker of Koyana behind him, he was tired. He was fagged out. So it was necessary for us to bring in fresh legs. But the instruction given to the player that comes in is a little bit different from what he goes in there and does. So it makes it a bit difficult. You know, but I think we have the bench rich enough to pull us through.
On that note, we come to the end of the second post-match press conference. Coach Eguavoen, thanks a lot and congratulations once again. Thank you.
Thank you.